Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add font in Canva. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the any web browser and search for the canva.com in your search address bar and log into your Canva account. After you are logged in, scroll down and tap on the any templates or any edits you want to create or change font of. After that, simply tap on the fonts and you will get to see the different types and styles of font listed here. But tap on the upload a font option available in the bottom, and here you'll get to see the Canva Pro option. So basically guys, you'll have to have Canva Pro in order to add a font in Canva. So basically you'll have to pay for the Canva Pro and it will be available on your Canva. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.